and today I'm sharing a powerful tool to transform your inner critic to your inner coach with success principle number 32. Did you know that the average person, you and me, talks to themselves around 50,000 times a day? Research shows 80% of that self-talk is negative. You've probably heard it in your own mind. I shouldn't have said that. They don't like me. I'll never pull this off. This constant negative chatter comes from what I call ants, automatic negative thoughts. These pesky ants can sound like, I'll never get a raise, my employees never listen to me, I never get any time for myself. But here's the secret. You can stomp on those ants, reframe those thoughts with positive truths. For example, instead of saying, I'll never get a raise, replace it with, I'm taking steps to prove my value and deserve recognition. When you challenge and replace negative thoughts, you free yourself to think more clearly, feel more confident, and create positive outcomes. Want more practical strategies to take charge of your mindset and achieve success? You do? Great! Then visit my website today and discover the Success Principles methodology. Let's stamp out those ants together. Visit www.lesliestrachan.com today, where you can book a call or just have a look around the website. Look forward to seeing you later. Bye for now.